Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 7D, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button, ignore any pop-ups, and once you have the boot options, select power off, and once the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you will see Huawei logo on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button. Now nothing shows up on the screen. After like 5 to 10 seconds, you can let go of these buttons and start holding them again. There we go. So you should first feel a vibration, which means that the device is turning on. Now, once you see, like I said, the Huawei logo, let go of the power button. And once you see the recovery mode, you can also let go of the volume up. Here, simply select safe mode at the bottom. This will automatically initiate a reboot of the device and boot you into said mode. Now, before we get into that mode, I am going to quickly mention that this mode is primarily designed for troubleshooting your device in terms of software problems. So, if you don't have any kind of problems, there is really no reason for you to boot into it, as any kind of application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can launch it. And as you can see, we have a bunch of ones that just kind of became monochrome, and there's also ones that are just straight up hidden from the home screen. So yeah. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one so you can use your device with all its applications installed, hold your power button once more, and this time around you will just simply select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.